Since I lost my phone to a pickpocket last year, I decided to add anti-theft for my phone. To do this, we need a rubber case, but it's not a mandatory, we will talk about it later. A strap, carabiner, and a duct tape. This tip's also useful to put phone charm without damaging the case. You don't need to buy an expensive carabiner for mountain climbing. Just buy the cheap one, it's sufficient. This is how to install the strap. It is very easy. If you don't want to use rubber case, then we need a tool to attach the strap on the phone body. For example, I use some unused SIM card that I stick it to the phone using double-sided tape. Or you can buy ungrip. This phone accessories has a hole to attach a strap. But be careful, there are some fake ungrip without a lanyard hole. So make sure you get the original one, or at least get the one that has a hole to add strap. Or you can also use pop socket. Just insert the strap from the bottom before the pop socket is installed. The strap can get out from the top because it has bigger diameter. That's it. I hope this video can be useful for someone. Consider to subscribe so you can find this channel again. Thank you very much for watching.